my name is Della Putri Herawati and my last number is 7. In here, I will explain the paper with the title Tourism, Local Data, Economic Development and Poverty Reduction. The first development Claire Sort was focusing. This 3-year research study had established that at the part or system level, it was difficult to identify significant livelihood or conservation benefits from tourism. The discussion paper sought to connect the objective of poverty elimination to the mainstream industry, turning its back on the established paradigms of ecotourism and CBT, which rarely connect with the mainstream industry. There was no reference in the 1998 paper to ecotourism or to community-based tourism. In second, poverty elimination was commissioned in preparation for the 1999 session of the Commission on Sustainable Development at the U. The paper addressed the issue of how the economic benefits of international tourism in developing countries could be maximized through employment and micro-enterprise opportunities. British overseas tourism could contribute, but it was clear that domestic tourism also presents significant opportunities. The generation of benefits will, of course, be dependent upon the quality of the product and the tourism service and upon the national and international market. A shift is proposed from a top-down to a bottom-up approach, firmly linked to international and domestic markets. This recognizes that tourism development may have some negative impacts, particularly on the poor, which need to be mitigated, and the determination of net benefits requires measurement and calculation. Over the 10 years from 1998, when the first discussion paper was written for DFID, until Harrison's 283, the PPT partnership has consistently pointed to the importance of commercial engagement with the private sector. There were successful initiatives with demonstrable results in the Gambia, followed by the current Gambia is Good initiative, South Africa and Tanzania. Each of these initiatives demonstrate that close engagement with the private sector ensured that initiative could result in significant net livelihood benefits for the poor. France has been very critical of the practice of pro-poor tourism, but recognizes that France recognize that there are various approaches to PPT that have been adopted by a range of agencies who do not share the same vision of poverty reduction through tourism. PPT but have not engaged substantially with the private sector. Third is tourism and development. Development, there is no quick fix and no easy moral shortcut. He asserts that can stay on the academic and commercial margins of tourism, while its active practitioners continue to seek both profitable consultations. Although familiar with the strategies of tourism, this was not for us the central issue. How can exciting tourism be made more proper? Okay, we accept that tourism exists in the world and that international and domestic tourism is growing rapidly. The PPT partnership has consistently argued that all forms of tourism can be more proper. It is not the form of tourism so much as the impact of the tourism that need to be considered in evaluating its contribution to local E. The impacts of the all-inclusive and inclusive resource are contents at the significantly cheaper all-inclusive resource. Tourists consume local alcohol. The resource employ local people on annual permanent contracts, sell local food and crafts, and profit local entertainment. It is important to remember that the impacts of tourism, positive and negative, are not uniform. Leakages occur in tourism where goods are imported into the local area or from abroad, and when profits or salaries are remitted from the local economy to the national financial center or abroad. Greenwood characterizes the tourism industry as a fast school for the modernization of a people value. There are two very appreciable studies of the impacts at local level. Organization for a conference on tourism in the least developed countries in 20 of the 48 LDCs tourism account for 2% or more of GDP, making it a significant sector. Often flight costs are regarded as leakage, as are the costs incurred in marketing by the originating market-based store wholesaler or agent. These are the costs of marketing and of transporting the goods to market. These are not in the analysis of other industries regarded as leakage. The PPT partnership has consistently placed the emphasis on developing initiatives which benefit the economically poor in those areas where there are already sufficient numbers of tourists to provide a viable market. The PPT approach draws heavily on livelihoods analysis, essential if tourism is to be used to contribute to the livelihoods of the economically poor and to maximize net benefits. In order to maximize household benefits and to avoid creating dependency, it is important that tourism is used as livelihood diversification. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.